Today I have this great coleslaw recipe for you. It's super easy but so delicious. We have 6 tablespoons of natural yogurt, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, a teaspoon of chipotle paste, or you could use mustard, half a red cabbage, 2 carrots and an onion. Mix together the yogurt, mayonnaise and the chipotle. Grate the cabbage and the carrots and then finely slice the onion. I'm using fresh coriander in this recipe, but you could also use other fresh herbs like dill, parsley or fresh mint. Once your vegetables are chopped and grated, add them into a mixing bowl with the yogurt mixture, give everything a really good stir through and just pop it in the fridge. And there you have a super quick and easy coleslaw.